Hello guys, Chef Stas is again here, and today the topic of our video would be how to make fresh Italian pasta at home. You don't need to have a special machine. If you just have a rolling pin and a knife, that's enough to make a good pasta. Today I'll show you 3 different doughs. One will be just simple eggs and flour. To another one I'm going to add turmeric to give a nice bright color and interesting flavor. And the third one will be with the chocolate powder or cocoa powder to make a chocolate pasta. So let's start cooking. For classic pasta, let's take 200 grams of flour and 2 large eggs. You can always rely on 2:1 ratio, where 2 parts are dry ingredients and 1 part are wet ingredients. Make a well in your flour, crack in the eggs, and then, using just fingertips, start to mix the dough. It will be very sticky in the beginning, but then while you work, it will pick up all the dry bits and crumbs from the surface, will come off the hands, and should become soft and elastic. If you see that your dough is too sticky or too dry, you can balance it out by adding a spoon of water or a bit more of the flour. When ready, wrap the dough with film or towel to prevent its surface from drying. Let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. It is important to let the moisture disperse in the dough and let gluten strands that make dough elastic to relax so the dough is more easy to roll. You can add spices or vegetable juice to your flour to change the color or add the flavor. Just don't forget about 2:1 ratio. You can make a dessert pasta by adding cocoa and powdered sugar, just have to follow 2:1 ratio. When the dough is rested, dust it with flour, so it doesn't stick to the surface, and roll out with rolling pin until needed thickness. Remember that pasta will double while being boiled. Dust it again, fold it few times and cut with a knife on a cutting board to desired shape. Now the pasta could be cooked straight away or frozen for later use. You should boil it straight from the freezer as it can stick while thawing. For rolling out the dough on the pasta machine, first dust it, flatten slightly with hand so it can get between the cylinders. Roll it from the widest position of the cylinders to required thickness. I prefer to run each position 2 times to make sure the dough won't shrink back. Don't forget to rub some flour now and then if dough is getting sticky. After rolling, you should hang pasta for a couple of minutes to rest. After that, you can cut it in desired shape. Dredge it with more flour and cover with film to prevent it from drying. The best ratio to boil pasta would be 100 grams of pasta to 10 grams of salt to 1 liter of water. For Cacio and Pepe, while water is coming to boil, grate the cheese in a bowl. Don't add oil in the water, that's a myth. Just don't forget the salt, throw pasta in for 2 minutes, stir it to prevent from sticking. Ground the pepper into the cheese, don't be shy. When pasta is ready, mix it well with grated cheese, let it melt on the pasta. You can add a spoon of pasta water to make dish a bit more creamy. Put on the plate. Some more pepper if you like, and ready. You should start eating immediately. I would suggest a glass of red to pair with this creamy, spicy, salty pasta. So guys, now you see that cooking pasta is so easy and a bit of a fun. I hope you liked Cacio and Pepe recipe, and from the rest of the dough in the next videos I'll make you more recipes of tasty Italian pasta. By the way, what is your favorite recipe? Please leave me a comment. Give video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the future videos. Bye!